Hi beauties, on today's video I'm going to be doing a wig review from Shein. I know that's crazy, like who buys wigs from Shein? I usually have good things to say about Shein, so I'm hoping that their hair is good. If this is going to be my first time installing a wig like this, I usually just, well, I'm probably still going to put this on to make sure it's secure, but I usually just do this. I don't usually like do all the extra stuff that go into putting on wigs, you know, lace front wigs or whatever. So I'm going to be doing that, but I'm also going to style the hair. My cousin is having a Barbie birthday party. I know it's gonna be so cute where everybody wears pink and you dress all cute and you wear blonde hair and all of that good stuff. So I got a ginger color wig. I've always wanted a ginger color wig, so I hope it does not disappoint. So let's first look at it and see how it looks. So it came in this very long bag. I got 24 inches. Okay, this is my first time looking at it. I wanted y'all to get my first impressions when I took it out. It's supposed to be, I think, 150 density. I'm not sure. The knots on it are pretty big. And it looks a little patchy. I'm not sure why. I had no intentions on bleaching because I'm just not in the mood to do all of that. And I've got a light color wig, so I wouldn't even have to do that. But the knots are pretty big. I don't know if you guys can see. So yeah, it's soft. It looked like it's probably been through some things because it was balled up in a bag, I guess. And it kind of has short pieces. Y'all see that? It's not supposed to be a layered wig. Y'all see that? I don't know. I hope it, I don't know. That's weird. Can y'all see that? See how it's cut? All that's cut like that? I don't think that's supposed to be like that. But nevertheless, hopefully it comes out good. So this wig has a total of 4, nope, just 3 clips in it. So you have one here, and then one in the back. And it has the adjustable straps, which I love because I can't stand a wig that's too big or too tight on my head. Okay. Now I'm going to do it on the actual mannequin. I'm just throwing it on to see. Oh, goodness. Does ginger look good on me? Kind of does. All right, so I'm going to put this on a mannequin and style her. But let's just get started. I don't know how it's possible, but I'm kind of seeing a lot of split ends on this hair and I'm not happy about it. I've never got hair that had all of these split ends, like it was already previously cut or it's just some bad hair. I don't know. I wish I wouldn't have paid as much as I did for it, but hey, hopefully it comes out cute. Ain't no way, this is 24 inches. I did the same pattern and look at that. I think I was gypped. I burnt my hand, so that's why I'm moving like weird. I don't know what's wrong with me. I put my whole hand on the barrel of the wine curler and it hurts so bad. I know my hand's gonna look like a balloon when I go to dinner. So y'all remember when I said that I wasn't gonna bleach it? Well, now that I'm actually styling it, I realize I'm gonna have no choice but to bleach it, but I don't have time to do that today because I have to hurry up and get out of here. I'm gonna wear it like this, but I do have to bleach it because the knots are black. I'm not even 100% sure if this is real human hair because why is there so many inconsistencies in the color and the lace? I don't know. So yeah, I'm gonna eventually have to do that, but for right now, I just plucked it so I can have it like a side part. I'm gonna go get dressed, and hopefully by then my hair will be laid and dry, and then I'll be ready. I do like how it came out. It's cute, and I was going for that beach wave look, so I could like Barbie. But I'm gonna have to put my makeup on my face again and on my head. How come every time I do my hair, my forehead get messed up every single time? It's so aggravating. I was like, let me do my makeup first, so I don't have to worry about it. But now look. So yeah, I'm gonna get dressed and then I'll be right back. All right, y'all, so I'm dressed. It might not look like it, but I am looking like a Barbie. I'm gonna make a little video while we out so y'all can see my full look. Oh, it's so hot. All right, y'all, so it came out cute. It came out really cute. I'm surprised because all the split ends I had. I wasn't too happy about that. But hey, it came out really cute. And it goes perfect with her Barbie theme. Cousin, I'm on the way. I'm late, but I'm on the way. And hope you like my Ginger Snap wig from Shein. Which I really didn't expect for it to be cute because I was like, all these split ends, I was losing a little hope, but it looks okay. So if you like this video, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to comment and subscribe. Also, I've been getting a lot of emails for promo for wigs and hair. If you want me to do a promo for your hair, or if you want me to review your hair or any type of product that you have, my email address is bagofblackroses@gmail.com. Send me your inquiry and just let me know like what you have that you want reviewed. Just send me an email if you want me to review your product. Until next time, guys. Bye.